Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. I'm transferring a Umatic tape from 1980 something or other, and it has got issues. But you can, on the fly, get some paper and just run it along the head to keep this clean. See, watch when I know this isn't the best angle. Let's see. This tape has been giving me issues capturing it here. So this bit of paper on the head, you can hear it. Listen to that. I'm going to be redoing this a few times over because the heads, I've had to manually rewind this with my hands. And you can see like artifacts here. This wasn't even playing a minute ago. Look, it's building up again. Dark side. I'm just preempting, look, junk coming off of it right there. Look at that. This is just like an on-the-fly kind of way of doing things, rather than having to get the acetone. Yeah, the audio. It doesn't make the picture jump or anything. This tape is from 1985, it looks like, so yeah, it's starting to go again. Oh, and then the whole tape is done. Oh no, it's back. Yeah, look, you can see like all the artifacts, just these little... Audio's gone. I don't know whether that's just the tape or... But this tape is got rusted bits. There's no audio, but look at that. So if I take this corner here, look, you can see absolutely nothing. I don't know whether that tape's done or it's gone bad, but so this tape is done, as in it's complete. This is why I never have the lid screwed down on this thing, because it is, all these tapes are oxidizing. I'm going to take this one home and bake it for about 5-6 hours to reset the binder, but yeah, it's not giving me a date on that. Watch this. This is the telltale sign. See the rust on that? This has been these tapes have come from Panama City, and yeah, look at that. Humid. A lot of the tapes are in good shape, but like that tells me everything I need to know, because it wouldn't rewind. Sometimes it just is wearing on the motor so much. So like I'll rewind it and it just it's freeing up a bit now, but no, it doesn't sound good. And I don't know whether the audio, see, this is what was coming up at the beginning. And yeah, for those of you going on about Elgato, this is just the quickest, simplest way to get things. Like, this is what was coming up initially. Everything is composite out in the back here. There's no other options on these old decks. But look, this is what I was getting at the beginning. This is running real time right here. Just nothing. Look. So then I cleaned it. Oh, there's a blip there. And now I'm getting this. I cleaned it. Even that. All right, so I'm just gonna save that. I'm not even sure. Look how slow this is rewinding. Hold on, can I see that? Yeah, look. Just whoop. Yeah, slow as can be. So, I'm going to give this one more pass. Look, you can see. I mean, any old paper will do, but that is what's coming off on the heads every single time. Just dirt, dust. Yep, it's done. All right, so let's give this another go. All right, I'm going to stop this right now. Okay. And hit play. Just going to fold this in half here, give that a clean. You can actually hear it. All right, good. Look, it's still kind of iffy. Audio's just jacked on this. Okay. So I'm going to keep the audio down, keep the picture up so you can kind of see like the artifacts here. Okay, it's going. I'm just getting as good as I can get right now. Just a good copy-ish. Then I'm going to take it home and bake it in my in a food dehydrator for about 6 hours at 140 degrees. It resets the tape binder and stops all this oxide coming off potentially. I mean, it's not bad compared to what I had initially because it was just unwatchable to begin with. All this stuff is just an absolute bloody nightmare. Isn't it? Okay. And then... no. Come on. We just counted that bit there with the tracking. Just a little bit of a preemptive. I mean, you can also tell the situation with a lot of these tapes is like this is the good color of stored indoors, climate controlled. And then look at the color of that. That was once the same. That was once the same color as well. Look at that. It just goes like a brownish color. So that's why I require pictures of stuff so I can do my own little detective work when people are asking for quotes, because this stuff is all old.